Now we're stopping at the Maple Counter Waffle Company, where they're serving up some of my favorite breakfast foods using local Walla Walla wheat. So I'm here with Corey of the Maple Counter Waffle Company, but it's not just a food truck, because you are also connected to your restaurant, correct?
That's correct, yes.
All right.
We are a small, locally sourced as much as possible breakfast and lunch restaurant. We built a food truck and parked it right next to our restaurant so that we could share a kitchen and a commissary.
Can you give me just a guesstimate of how much wheat you guys are going through?
Oh gosh, I would say probably several 100 pounds a week.
Oh, wow, that is a lot of wheat. Yeah. Well, we produce a lot of wheat here, so that's good. Today, we're trying my childhood favorite, strawberry waffles made with fresh local strawberries. My daughter at home is gonna be so jealous that I'm eating this right now.
Get some of that whipped cream.
That is heaven on a fork. So Brittany, tell me, do you enjoy pancakes and waffles?
I love them.
What would you say would be your favorite between the two?
Waffle. Pancake. Waffles probably more. Yeah.
Waffles more? Okay, well, I'm glad that you're here at the waffle truck.
That's why we're here.
So you like a little fruit on them, right?
The fruit.
Okay, so what do you think about strawberries then?
Ready for that.
So I want you to give that a try and then let me know what you think.
Okay, here we go. Fabulous.
Oh, it's really good.
Oh my god. That is the sweetest strawberry I've ever had.
It just tastes so fresh. I mean, you've got the strawberries.
Oh my god.
That is one of the greatest reactions I've ever seen. Would you guys come back and order these again?
Absolutely.
Can I eat the whole thing?
You got it. That is yours. You enjoy that.
You just made my day. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.